you how to save all your bookmarks in one file that can easily be loaded into a new installation of Firefox in case anything happens to your computer that you want to save that file so you can load all your bookmarks. Go to Documents and Settings, and then go to the name of the user that's listed on your computer, your username, and then under there'll be a folder for application data. Underneath application data, you'll see the software for Mozilla. You'll see a folder named Mozilla, which is really the name of Firefox. And underneath Mozilla, you'll see Firefox. Then you'll see a folder called Profiles. And you'll see another folder under that, which is usually a funny number with some mixed letters. That's basically the user ID for your computer. Now under that folder, within that folder, you'll see there'll be a Firefox file. You'll see the icon for Firefox, and there'll be an HTML file called Bookmarks. And all you have to do is save that file, back it up somewhere. And if you need to restore Firefox, you can always install it through the Bookmarks Manager.